You guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. So today it's my sister's birthday, so I'm gonna be hanging out with her, and also my dad is down from Oahu, so we're gonna be cruising, going to the beach. Yesterday the weather was immaculate, perfect diving weather, but I was stuck in the office. But as of now, there's like no wind and there's no clouds, so it's looking cherry. As of now, I'm currently folding my girlfriend's clothes. I'm gonna vent a little bit because I'm not gonna lie, this is tough. Just because her stuff are like, you know, women's stuff are like thin and like stringy and like this shirt, right? I don't even know what stops and what begins. You know what I mean? Like I usually just fold my shirt like boom 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 done. But like with like spaghetti strap stuff like this, like how do you like fold this? Like I get so frustrated doing this. I don't know why. I just look at it and just be like, you know, F it. This is just too complicated. Like I don't know why women's stuff has to be so complicated. Like everything is just like strings. It's just, and they're so expensive. It's just strings and expensive clothing that are just strings. But anyway, that was my little quick vent. Hope you guys are having a good day. Just tune into the video and I'll catch you guys later. What's going on, guys? So we made it here at the beach. I beat my family here, surprisingly, because I live the farthest away from everybody. But it's absolutely beautiful day. It's flat. Definitely diving weather, but I wish my sister would consider going somewhere else, just because over here is more for surfing and boogie boarding rather than over there, which is more for diving. So basically where I am right now is Anahola. The beach is kind of trashed right now because of the flood back in April, and there's a lot of wood and albizia, dead trees and stuff. But that's what's going on. But I'm just gonna be waiting and then shooting some B-roll. So catch you guys. And then happy belated birthday to my Baja. Alright.
Wait, yo amo.
Cheers!
Yeah, so we're at Anahola Beach, cruising, waiting for my cousin Randall. What's up, guys? Look at me in my new outfit. Alright, you know what this is? Hawaiian skin diver. Anyway, it's me and my cousin Randall here. He finally arrived. Look at that. Can you say sponsored athlete? But anyway, so we're gonna head out. We have a couple fans over here. I'm just kidding. This is Taylor. Go follow her on Instagram.
That's my girlfriend.
That's Randall's girlfriend. Go follow her on Instagram. She's a model, she does bikinis. Go check it out.
And she's also
I'll link the description in below, alright, in my YouTube video. Other than that, we'll see if we can grab dinner. But catch you guys later. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got back, no fish, but we've seen a lot of fish, but no fish. And we're heading back. So everybody's barbecuing over there. Anyway, so we're heading out there. My pops is over there. Pretty awesome. But it's been a great day. Great birthday for my sister. Happy birthday, Marley. And you know what? I'll catch you guys on the next episode, alright? So you guys take care. Aloha. Oh, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, alright? For more adventure. Catch you guys later.